How to download HC Seller on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download HC Seller on Android device. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So, this download process is applicable for both Android or iOS devices. So, first of all, make sure your internet connection is stable on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application on your device. Using the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen and the search bar at top of the screen, you have to type in "it says seller." You have to choose the official application for "it says seller." And after that, here you will see the install button. Simply you have to tap the install button and wait until the download is processing or download is completed on your device. Once it gets downloaded, you simply need to click on the open button and then log in or sign up into the HC Seller application. So that is how we download HC Seller application on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.